Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be making a super simple chocolate donut. It's gluten-free and it's one of my family's favorite. I hope you'll enjoy it too. So let's get started. The ingredients you'll need for these super simple chocolate donuts are 3/4 of a cup of almond flour, 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. The wet ingredients are 1/4 cup of applesauce, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, or you can use honey, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a donut pan and set it aside. And now in a large bowl, combine all your dry ingredients. Now we're going to mix our wet ingredients until they're well combined. Now we're going to put our donuts in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. My donuts have came out of the oven, they've cooled, and I've melted some chocolate. You can melt it either in the microwave or on the stovetop. But if you are, make sure you have some adult supervision. So now I'm going to take a donut, dip them into our melted chocolate, and then I'm going to sprinkle some sprinkles on them. You can use almost any topping you want. You can use, I have some coconut, shredded coconut, some slivered almonds. You can almost use anything.
Go.
My gluten-free donuts are all ready to be eaten, and it's time for the official taste test. So you ready to try them? Yes. Okay, pick the one that you want. It's okay. How is it?
Yummy.
Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye!